Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you an interesting things that is called how to import in SolidWorks, and as well as one more tools that is called Autotrace that will help you to make a sketch from your picture itself. So let's see. First open the SolidWorks. So I'll go for a new part. Click on this new, select part options. Okay, just define your unit here. I'll be choosing here millimeter gram second and choose one planes. I'll take font plane over here. I'll make the background white. Now where we'll get the tools? So for that you need to go to the tools. Under tools you will be having the option sketch tools. Under sketch tool you can see here you have the option sketch picture. Click on the sketch picture. It will give you the browse options. So previously I opened the same file, that's what automatically it's opening. So you can see here I will select one picture from here itself. So I'll choose this picture, go with this. Okay, you can see here these are the file extensions that we can import into the SolidWorks. Just go with this, go for OK. Now you can see here already I have imported the sketch. You can see you can change the parameters from here itself. If you change this x comma y value, that will shift your sketch from this origin. And you can see here if you want to go for rotation, and you can drag it from here itself, or else you can give the dimension according to your requirement. Now you can see here you have here one more options. So we need to go for this next option. Before that I will tell you one thing. You have to go for certain settings. Actually initially it won't come, so I have done some settings. For that reason it's coming. I will show you the settings first. So for that you need to go to the set. Okay, it's not showing, so let me finish it up, then I will tell you which setting you need to enable for these features. Now you need to go for this next options. Here you can see we'll have here one more options. Now you can see we have this option. I want to create a sketch by using this color. You can see here we have the options. We can select also. Now you can see here instead of like this, you can see here we can select any rectangular area also. You can select any freehand also, you can make sketch, even you can make polygonal shape also. But the interesting things is I will select over here color, because our sketch is only black and white, so I will track this black color. So for that I will just select this color, just click on this, then you can click on this here, track. Now you can see here automatically one sketch has generated. Now just go with this OK. Let's see, you can see here one sketch has created. You can do one thing here, even you can add features in that sketch itself. Now you see here I'll go for this extrude. Now you can see I want to extrude it here. Just go with this OK. Look at here, your sketch is getting ready. This is what tool called Autotrace. Now I will show you the settings here, what you need to do. For that you will be getting those options. So for that what you need to do, go to the options. Under this options you will be having your add-ins. Click on the add-ins. You can see here under add-ins you have here one options that is called Autotrace. So you need to select this option, you need to keep it on, then go for this OK. That's the reason you got it. So if in your system if it is not selected, you won't get those features. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.